Today we're going to be talking about one of NEBO's latest flashlights, the LUXTREME. Now, the LUXTREME is a USB-C rechargeable flashlight, and it has one of the most advanced optics that NEBO has ever put into one of their flashlights. Now, it is only 500 lumens, but don't let that fool you. It is still a super bright light, shooting a beam up to a half a mile long. Now, combine all of that with an anodized, aircraft-grade aluminum body in NEBO's flagship storm gray color, as well as a 4,000 milliamp USB-C rechargeable battery, and you've got yourself one of the best flashlights NEBO has ever made. Let's check out what all comes inside the box. So when we first open the box, you are presented with the flashlight, of course. So this is what the LUXTREME looks like. Your USB-C charging cable so that you can recharge your flashlight. A wrist strap to make it easier to carry around with you wherever you go. And lastly, just a little LUXTREME info book with everything you need to know about your brand new flashlight. So now that we've unboxed this bad boy, let's go test it out.
We're in this park tonight to show you the power of the beam on the LUXTREME flashlight. So there is a utility pole about 150 yards from here, and I'm just going to pop this on and hit it. Alright, looking at the same utility pole, I'm going to demonstrate high, medium, and low setting. High, medium, low.